Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English 24 channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lily.
Hello, Lily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here. I'm super excited because today's topic is really interesting.
Absolutely. Today, we're going to talk about how to talk about your 2026 plans in English. 2026 is coming soon, and everyone has dreams, goals, and exciting plans.
That's right. And the best part is, we're going to help you talk about your 2026 plans confidently in English. And, of course, with lots of fun, smiles, and maybe a few jokes too.
Yes, definitely. So let's get started. Alex, do you have any exciting plans for 2026?
Oh, yes, I do. In 2026, I plan to travel to Japan. I really want to visit Tokyo, enjoy the beautiful cherry blossoms, and, of course, eat lots of sushi.
Wow, that sounds amazing. So students, listen to the sentence Alex used. He said, I plan to travel to Japan in 2026. You can also say, I'm planning to visit Japan in 2026. Both are correct and natural.
Exactly. And students, you can replace Japan with any country or city you want. For example, I plan to visit Dubai in 2026. I'm planning to go to London in 2026.
That's perfect. Now, Alex, tell us more about your Japan plan. What will you do there?
Well, first I will visit Tokyo Tower, then I will explore Kyoto, and I will try Japanese street food. And maybe I will get lost in the city because I always forget directions.
Oh, Alex, yes, I can imagine you walking in circles like, excuse me, where am I?
Exactly, but that's okay because it will still be a great adventure. So students, you can use I will to talk about your future actions, like I will travel, I will study, I will work.
Wonderful. Now, let's talk about another place, Canada. Some people might plan to study or work in Canada in 2026.
Oh yes, Canada is a dream for many people. You can say, in 2026, I plan to study in Canada. In 2026, I want to move to Canada for a better future.
Exactly. And you can also talk about goals like, I want to improve my English in 2026. I want to get a good job in 2026. I want to build a better life in 2026.
Those are beautiful plans. And remember, when you talk about your future, you are not just speaking English, you are also speaking about your dreams.
That's so true, Alex. And hey, do you think you'll find love in 2026?
Uh-oh, maybe in 2026, I will say, I plan to get married.
Oh, wow. Students, write in the comments, do you think Alex will get married in 2026? Yes or no?
Please say yes, I need support.
All right, friends, that's the first part. We talked about travel plans and study or work plans for 2026. In the next part, we'll talk about more exciting future plans.
So don't go anywhere. Stay with us and keep practicing your English.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're still watching, that means you truly care about your English and your 2026 dreams, and we love that.
Yes, thank you so much for staying with us. Now let's continue talking about future plans for 2026. And this time, we're going to the USA and Paris.
Place 1, USA, Career and Success Dreams. So, Alex, if someone wants to build a big career or chase big dreams, the USA is a popular choice, right?
Absolutely. Many people dream of going to the USA. You can say, in 2026, I plan to work in the USA. I want to start my career in the USA in 2026. I am planning to move to the USA for better opportunities.
That sounds powerful. And you can also talk about specific goals like, I want to become a software engineer. I want to start my own business. I want to build a successful career.
Yes, and if you're nervous, you can say, I hope I can achieve my dream in 2026. I am working hard for my 2026 goals.
That's beautiful because English isn't just a language, it's a bridge to your dreams.
Exactly. And hey, Lily, if I move to the USA in 2026, will you miss me?
Maybe, but only a little. Just kidding. Of course I'll miss you.
Aw, thank you. See, everyone, even friends are part of our future plans.
Place 2, Paris. Love, happiness, and fun plans. Now, let's move to one of the most romantic cities in the world, Paris.
Ooh, Paris, the city of love, lights, and expensive coffee.
Yes, very expensive coffee. Students, if you want to talk about fun, romance, or enjoying life in 2026, you can say, in 2026, I plan to visit Paris. I want to enjoy my life and travel more in 2026. I will spend time with my loved ones in 2026.
You can also say romantic things like, I want to create beautiful memories in 2026. I hope to find happiness and love in 2026. Very sweet, right?
So, Alex, if you go to Paris in 2026, what will you do there?
Well, first I will visit the Eiffel Tower, then I will take lots of pictures, and then I will eat so many croissants that I won't be able to walk.
Oh no, Alex sitting on a bench thinking, why did I eat so much bread?
Yes, exactly, but it will still be worth it.
Target moment, useful phrases. Students, repeat after us. I plan to. I want to. I will. I'm planning to.
Great. These phrases help you sound confident when talking about your 2026 plans.
So, friends, in this part, we talked about career dreams in the USA and fun and romantic dreams in Paris.
And in the next part, we'll talk about family plans, personal growth, health, and lifestyle plans for 2026.
So don't go anywhere. Stay with us and keep learning with a smile. Welcome back, everyone. If you're still with us, that means your English is getting stronger and your 2026 dreams are getting clearer and you are speaking more confidently.
Yes, and we're so happy you're still here with us. In this part, we're going to talk about family plans, health plans, and personal growth plans for 2026.
Welcome back, everyone. If you're still with us, that means your English is getting stronger and your 2026 dreams are getting clearer.
Yes, and we're so happy you're still here with us. In this part, we're going to talk about family plans, health plans, and personal growth plans for 2026.
Alex, not everyone wants to leave their country, right? Some people want to stay close to their families in 2026.
That's absolutely true. Family is very important. So, students, you can say, in 2026, I plan to spend more time with my family. In 2026, I want to stay in my hometown and take care of my parents. I am planning to live with my family in 2026.
That sounds beautiful. You can also talk about family goals like, I want to support my family in 2026. I want to make my parents proud. I hope to give my family a better life in 2026.
That's really emotional because sometimes the biggest dream is not traveling far. Sometimes the biggest dream is simply being with the people you love.
Exactly. So, Alex, what about you? Any family plans for 2026?
Yes, in 2026, I plan to visit my parents more often, and I will spend more quality time with them instead of spending time with my phone.
Yes, please, Alex. Put the phone down, talk to your parents, and maybe they'll cook more food for you.
Oh, yes, that's the real dream. My 2026 plan is eat more home cooked food.
Students, write in the comments, do you want to stay with your family in 2026 or move abroad? Now, let's move to a peaceful and beautiful place, Bali, a perfect place for relaxation, meditation, and healing.
Yes, many people don't just have career dreams, they also have health and personal growth goals.
You can say, in 2026, I plan to take better care of my health. I want to relax and reduce stress in 2026. I am planning to focus on my mental health in 2026.
You can also say, I will exercise regularly in 2026. I will eat healthy food. I will try to live a happier life.
Alex, if you go to Bali in 2026, what will you do there?
First, I will sit by the beach. Then I will meditate. And then I will fall asleep because I'm too lazy.
Oh no! Alex goes to Bali for peace and ends up snoring on the beach.
Yes, that's my relaxation plan. But seriously, 2026 is not just about working hard. It's also about loving yourself, resting, and taking care of your health.
Teaching moment. Useful sentences. Repeat after us, friends. I plan to take care of my family in 2026. I want to improve my health in 2026. I will try to live a better life.
Great job! These sentences will help you speak confidently about your future.
So, friends, in this part, we talked about family plans in your hometown, health and personal growth plans in 2026.
In the next part, we will complete our final 10 minutes, and we have a beautiful ending conversation waiting for you.
So don't leave. Stay with us till the end.
See you in the final part.
Welcome back, everyone. This is our final part, and we're so happy you stayed with us till now.
Yes, if you're still watching, it means you are serious about your English and serious about your 2026 dreams.
So, Alex, many people dream about going to Dubai in 2026, right?
Oh, yes, Dubai is very popular. If you want to talk about money, career, and a better lifestyle, you can say, in 2026, I plan to work in Dubai. I want to build a better future in Dubai in 2026. I am planning to go to Dubai for a good job in 2026.
Perfect. You can also say, I will work hard in 2026. I want to earn more and support my family. I hope to improve my lifestyle in 2026.
That sounds powerful and confident. Dubai is full of opportunities and full of very tall buildings.
Yes, so tall that Alex might get scared looking down.
Hey, I'm brave. Well, maybe a little scared, just a little.
Students, comment below. Do you want to work in Dubai in 2026?
Now let's travel to another amazing place, Australia. Kangaroos, beaches, friendly people, and great opportunities.
Yes, if you want a fresh start, new life, or big adventures in 2026, you can say, in 2026, I plan to move to Australia. I want to start a new life in 2026. I am planning to study or work in Australia in 2026.
You can also say, I will learn new skills in 2026. I will explore new places. I will challenge myself and grow.
Alex, if you go to Australia in 2026, what will you do first?
First, I will see kangaroos. Then I will enjoy the beaches. And then I will try speaking with the Australian accent and fail terribly.
Oh, yes, I really want to see that. Alex saying, G'day, mate, and everyone laughing.
Hey, at least I will try. Trying is important.
Friends, remember these useful phrases. I plan to, I want to, I will, I am planning to.
Use them to talk confidently about your 2026 plans in English. Dream big, speak confidently, and never stop learning.
And if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future lessons.
That's right. And please share this episode with anyone you know who is also learning English.
It would mean a lot to us, and we love to hear from you. So please leave a comment below telling us about your day in English or any other topics you'd like us to talk about in the future.
Yes, we read your comments and appreciate your feedback. So until next time, keep practicing your English and have a wonderful day.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Alex.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Lily.